Let's do it.
Destroyed my career in one place. I used to be in the top.
Here, lads, are you watching? Watch this.
Scores are level. You need the blue and the pink to win. The slide out over.
Get a haircut, Kieran.
There's one thing I like to see is, see the guy that put up the money. I thank him very much. Yeah.
Good job, Kieran, quick.
Stick him in behind the black.
How do you do that?
I want the white ballers. I will stop it. Mind your business.
Go on, Steve.
Hey, if you miss that, you're in trouble.
There's a few Mr. You're in trouble.
Now we do it again.
Don't do that to me, no, please.
Oh, begging is it?
Go on, Kenny.
Kieran, you thought this was a taxi on the way, never really listened to you. We were up for people, Mom. Oh, come on now.
Oh.
That was smart and premature, isn't it? Steve is going to take a break now, folks. I'd like to thank the two men. The man that put up the 400 quid and did not even play. A fabulous gesture. And the other man who played here, he might be loud, but because he's so cracked, there's no doubt about it. Well done. Well done, well done. Okay, folks, Steve is going to